Hey, what's going on? If you want to get a complete system that makes melting fat easy and is 100% automated, then I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of your page right now. YouTube doesn't let me make that link clickable, so you're actually going to have to type it into your browser, or I also put the copy of the link in the description so you can click on that or type it into your browser. Alright, for now, enjoy the video, and after you're done with this video, make sure to go to that link to get a complete fat melting system.
Now, another ab ripper we're going to do, I call them the Rocky Balboas. What we're going to do is we're going to grab a weight. We want to get pretty heavy with this. I'm going to grab it like so. You can use a dumbbell, you can use a medicine ball, any kind of weight that's going to weigh you down, obviously, right? So, pick our feet up. What we're going to do is we want to twist and look. Twist and look, get as close to the ground as possible, and go back. Every time we go both sides, it's one. So, 1, 2. And notice how I'm looking. So when I look, it gives me that big motion, so I get a twist back and use my oblique muscles so we can really get these side muscles right here. If you need to hit the ground, you can do that. But what I prefer to do is to go twist, and at the last second right before I hit, I twist right back. So I have to use those muscles, engage my oblique muscles so I don't hit and I have to pull it back and I'll let the ground help me out. You're going to do this. We're going to do 3 sets of 6. For each set. So I do 18 times. Okay, we're going 18 times each time. Once I get 18, 1, 2, 3. Extremely important to look. The looking action is going to give you the good twisting action and the good motion for those abs. 18 times, 3 sets. After that, you're good to go. You'll feel the burn. And on top of that, try to keep your legs up. You'll feel the top of your legs burn as well. If you can't keep your legs up, that's fine. But try to keep them up. Lean back at 45 degrees and twist.
Hey, real quick, one more thing before you go. I want to make sure you know that there is no correlation between how hard you work and how much fat you melt or how much muscle you build. Alright? There's enough science, enough data out there that there's absolutely no correlation between hard work and results. Alright? There's a difference between movement and achievement. Alright? If you want to learn my best tips, what I call the 5% hacks that allow you to get maximum results, maximum fat loss, maximum lean muscle gain, I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of this page, or you can click on the link in the description. Alright, you're going to get a complete system for melting fat in an intelligent and streamlined system. I'll see you there.